Okay, this is cold start on my 2017 Chevy Colorado. Oh, before, it's stock, nothing different, so that might change or that might not, depends, but let's hear. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. Thank you so much for watching. I know if you're a trigger because my truck still doesn't sound as good as should, you should subscribe because in the future that's gonna change. Some people were asking me for a cold start in my 2017 Colorado. That's how it sounds like. It's restock. The only thing it changes is the cold air intake. If you want to watch the video, I will leave a link here when I install it. But today I just want to say thank you. We made it, guys. We made it. I always like to say we because we are kind of partners in this, and we're really glad for my subscribers, you know, all the comments, all the support. We did it. We made 1,000 subscribers.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Oh,
yes! 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 Yeah!
That means a lot to me. I know for you maybe it doesn't mean anything, especially when you look at the YouTube world and you have a lot of subscribers in different channels with thousands and thousands of subscribers. But let me tell you one thing, one day they were searching for the first 1,000 subscribers. That's what I am. I have to celebrate, I have to share with you guys, and that's why we are here. So today, besides celebrating the 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna buy the lift kit. I'm gonna do like kind of what I did my front grill. I don't know if you guys remember, we kind of split that video in two. One, I just bought it, and the other one we did the installation. The lift kit's gonna be a little bit different because the way that goes, I don't want to give you that too much away, but we're gonna buy the lift kit today, and the next video I'm gonna tell you guys why I chose this specific one, because I think that's probably the second most asked question that I get is which kind of lift kit I'm going with. You guys are gonna be surprised. You're probably gonna find out in a couple of minutes, but I just want to give you, you know, guys, an update on my truck, how many miles I got, all the modifications, because if you're here for the first time you probably don't know what I did, and the goal here in the channel is trying to do everything by myself. I don't think we're gonna be able to do the lift kit though, but this is a different story. So long story short, lift kit today. Once I get the lift kit, I have to wait for my wheels to get here, we can install. But before, I'm gonna do something different with my lift kit, and I'll save that for another video. So but before we go upstairs to my computer, I just want to tell you guys one thing. Once you set a goal, this 1,000 subscribers goal, challenge, or whatever you want to call, I learned how to, you know, be consistent, how to keep my schedule. You guys help me a lot because, you know, you guys are the reason why I want to work hard and put the videos out there. I have many times I get home and I get frustrated, like, you know what, I'm not doing anything today, I don't want to do a video, I don't know why people are not watching. But every time I get a comment, I get a like, I get a DM on Instagram, that means a lot, you know, keep my mind fresh, and I want to go more and more. So I just want to say, if you put a goal, just try to keep your eyes on your goal. Don't let anything disturb you. What do you guys think? I think my second goal is gonna be 5,000 subscribers. It's really hard to put a time frame on it, especially because I don't know how YouTube thing works. I'm doing my best, put it like good content out there, but yeah, my second goal in YouTube is gonna be 5,000 subscribers. Let's see how long it's gonna take. I will definitely keep this day, the day this video is going live, in my mind, in my reminder, so you know how long it's gonna take. But if you are here for the first time, subscribe and let me know what do you think in the comments below. If it's a good goal, 5,000 subscribers. I think it is. If we get in December with 5,000 subscribers, that would be awesome. My main goal is have more people and still deliver good content for you guys. All right, so but without further ado, let me walk you through the truck a little bit. It's gonna be really fast, and then we go into my computer and we're gonna buy the lift kit. So first of all, let's talk about miles, because a lot of people ask me. So if you're here for the first time, I know if you're an OG subscriber, You're probably tired of it, but I have to do it. So I got my 2017 Chevy Colorado brand new. Being almost a year and a half I have this truck, and I did a couple of modifications, not anything too crazy, but so one of the things I have after 2 years, I have, let me see if I can show you guys, I have 20, I hope you guys can see, 21,800 miles on it. People normally ask me my average fuel economy, so let's see here what we got. Trip B, 19.2. That's actually my average fuel economy. And remember, I have a cold air intake. Two things I change that people always say that is gonna change my fuel economy is the cold air intake and I removed the air dam. So that's it. So it's not changed that much. I think for me it didn't change anything, to be honest, but that's basically it. Engine is just the cold air intake. I don't have anything fancy yet. And here I have US Pro clip for my iPhone, so that's how it goes. So people ask me how that works. That's how it works. It's really easy so far. It's the best thing I ever had. I try it, probably I have a bunch here. See, I have a bunch of those craps that they don't work. So that one's by far. If you wanna buy it, the link in the description below. So yeah, you don't have to drill anything. You can just attach. It's really hard to show you guys, but you can just attach to your truck right here and right there. It comes with all the tools you need to install. It's really easy. Yeah, great for your phone. I have the iPhone Max, so it's big and it fits perfect. And that's inside the truck. Outside the truck, I have a cover for my bed, which a gator. Some people ask me about my bed liner. My bed liner is kind of carpet. Hold on. And that's better. And I have like the bed lights. The bed lights are from Amazon. Yeah, I know. So link in the description below if you want to buy as well. Link in the description below. It's really easy to install. I did the installation probably, I don't know, a year ago. And the reason why I went with carpet, it's because I don't do anything fancy with my bed and I wanted to keep very clean. And if you remove it, see how hard it is to remove it? But if you remove it, my bed's like brand new. So I want to keep that like that. And if I have any problems with like dust, anything, I can see I just use a vacuum and that's good to go. All right, we upgrade the third brake light. And to be honest, I'll probably change that again, but more to come. I had a different tail light, but it's not working anymore, but I'll fix it. I think I found a way to fix it, and we're gonna have a new tail light. If you watch my old videos, you're probably gonna see it. And the stripes, people ask me about the stripes. I bought it from InShane Designs. The link in the description below as well. I almost forgot. We have the new grill and the light bar. The light bar is the rough country light bar, and the grill I bought from Chevy parts. I'll leave you all the links in the description below. I update all the lights for my truck. All the lights are diodynamics LED. As you guys can see, everything is white. I don't like the yellow. Everything is white. So other than that, guys, everything is stock. But the big change is coming. We're gonna upgrade the suspension, we're gonna upgrade the wheels and tires, and I have a lot of more stuff to do inside, outside, and maybe you're gonna get something to make the truck louder. But this is the future. Right now we're gonna focus on the suspension, which is lift kit, and also the wheels and tires. We're going to my computer, we're gonna buy together the lift kit for my truck. Just keep in mind, I ordered the wheels. The wheels take from 3 to 6 weeks to get here, and yeah, we have to wait. But meanwhile, I have idea what I'm gonna do with the lift kit. That's why I wanna buy today. Maybe I get the lift kit by next week, and then I can take the lift kit to the place I wanna do something with. And I just don't want to say because I want to record it. I want to take you guys with me. But without further ado, if you have any questions about the truck, it's just like a really quick run through my truck. Just if you are here for the first time for the 1,000 subscribers celebration, you know what we are talking about. But now let's head to the computer and buy the lift kit. Here we are. Let's go to, I would do the same that I did when I bought the grill, the front grill. And so here we go. The moment everyone's waiting to know which kind of lift kit I'm buying, and I'm buying rough country. And before you get all mad on me and say why are you buying rough country, the reason why I will explain in my next video, just to make sure we are on the same page, me and you. It's not gonna be bad. I did my research and I have my reasons why I'm going with rough country, but that's it. I don't want to give you more information right now, but next video I'll make sure I explain why and the reasons why. But just don't give me a hard time yet. Just stay with me and wait for the next video, right? So what I'm gonna do, Colorado Lift, and probably it's gonna come up here. Yeah, so the one we need, it's 4-wheel drive, right? And here's the price, $199. And actually, if you look at the reviews here, it's 4.9. So before you give me any hard time, just, you know, wait. I will probably, if you have doubts about rough country, stay with me, watch my videos. We're gonna install together, we're gonna do everything together. So I'll give you a real feedback, how that rides and everything else. So, but right now, stay with me. I'll buy rough country, right? So my option is gas. I'll get the lifted any 3-nut shocks, which is an option. And one thing good about rough country that I will also say in my next video is they have a really good customer service. So if you have any problem, probably you know, they're gonna do everything to fix for you if you need to. Okay, here is subtotal, and you have to pay tax on top of it, which it's good or bad, I don't know. If the government uses that right way, we have to pay tax, and I'm glad to pay tax if I have to. And that's it. So 6-inch GM suspension lift kit that fits 15 and 19 Canyon Colorado 4-wheel drive. That's what I have. I have a 4-wheel drive. Yep. And I'm gonna pay with PayPal, and I'll block all my personal information here so you guys don't see it. So I'm gonna skip it now for when we are placing the order. All right, here we have the final order. I check my address or if everything is right and good to go, and it is. And now we're gonna place the order, right? There we go. I got a notification on my phone that we got. I don't need that now. So yeah, boys, that's it. We did it. I ordered as I promised. We hit 1,000 subscribers and we did it. So right now the plan is I'm talking with the guy who has my wheels, and I'm waiting to see where we are. But we're probably gonna get the lift kit before the wheels, but we're gonna do something with the lift kit, and then once the wheels get here, we're gonna install the lift kit. So if you have a shop and you wanna, you know, you wanna be part of my building, hit me up, DM on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me Instagram, follow me Instagram. I do a lot of stuff there. I respond all DMs and everything else. If you know somebody who is willing to do and live by me, or either New York or PA, I'll drive. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna have fun doing this. Leave your comment below. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much. We made it 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. And as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.